How to comment photo on Instagram post. Hi, welcome to Glide Fix. My name is Felicia. In this video, I'll be guiding you on how to comment photo on Instagram posts. Now, you have to make sure that your Instagram is up to date. The next thing you have to do is to click on your photo, the particular video you want to comment. Just click on the comment section of that particular video. So right here, this is the conversation section. So at the right here, you're going to see a gallery for photo. All you have to do is to select the particular gallery, to select the particular photo you want to add, and now you can write a kind of tag for that and click on your post here to post it. So guys, that is it on how to comment photo on Instagram post. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow Glide Fix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.